This is just a super short video. I have this, I usually use this one, but this one actually could be considered a widowmaker. Just because there's a lot of stuff exposed there, and those are huge capacitors. This is more self-contained. I haven't been using it, but I just wanted to retry it. The thing works awesome. And it's so hard for me to take a video one-handed, but I did spot weld all these. I got them glued together, and I'm going to put these leads on, and this is going to go on my personal Bosch Hammer KTS 300. But yeah, this is sort of a very well self-contained unit. This is kind of sketchy how they do this, but I could always make my own cables. But honestly, the thing worked awesome. I'm impressed with it. So, all right, I'm gonna put this together here shortly. So I'm almost done. It's together, but I'm going to use some fish paper on both sides, fully heat shrink it, but I'm just heat shrinking the leads now. So I'm not done yet. Most of it's done. The hard stuff's done. They're all in series, but it's super nice. I mean, honestly, they're a work of art. I've seen so many other batteries made by people that are trash, and my spot welds are like very solid. I see so many spot welds that just fall apart, actually. But all right, a few more minutes and I'll be done. All right, so I got the fish paper on. It's pretty smart, actually, for anybody to do it. It just protects it a little bit more. I'm getting ready to put heat shrink on it and be finished. All right, it's done. Turned out awesome. I haven't charged it yet. So it's all done. There you go. You can bleed the four-wheel drive. It's done, except I ordered a plug that and here's the rubber boot. I got a genuine power supply. I was gonna fix it. Okay.